want you to breathe me. Let me be your air.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. It's an unboxing video, so it's very exciting, at least for me. I hope you're just as excited as I am to unbox these for your viewing pleasures. I do have to say I am sorry for my last unboxing where I didn't try on the Manolos, so because I didn't do that, I will try them on in this unboxing video. So I hope you forgive me for that. I hope we all cool. I am forgiven, and then we can back to live our normal lives now. But yeah, I am back with a new unboxing. I know I have a problem. Within 6 weeks I've had 5 pairs of Manolos. I know it's a lot. It's a bit excessive. I almost ordered a pair this week, but I decided to buy something else that I've been wanting to buy instead of buying the Manolos. I was like, you know what, that's a bit too much. You need to relax. So I was like, buy something else that you've been wanting to buy. So which you will see in the next video. I'll probably wait to get another pair of shoes, and then I'll unbox that item. It's going to be some Chanel earrings that I've been waiting for the longest time. But this is not about the earrings, this is about shoes. So let's get on to this unboxing video. Let me address this. On my lips I have ABH by Sarah Flint, and this dress, which I've gotten yesterday, is from H&M. Sadly it's already sold out, but they do have it in a yellow color, so if you want to check it out, I will leave the link below. Let's get back to the unboxing story for this video. So if you ladies watch my first Manolo unboxing where I bought the Maysale, now I am unboxing the mule version of the first ones that I got. I'll link the video down below if you want to check it out, where I told you this. So these are the shoes that I wanted originally in the nude color or blush pink. Now that I've seen the pink color, I think I want these to be my next one, but I'm just not ready to pay the full price for them. I don't think I would pay full price. I haven't paid full price for all my Manolos, and these are not going to be my first. I am confident that I can find them. I'm just going to keep waiting, and then one day I'm just going to be looking for them, and then I'm going to find them in my size for the price that I am willing to pay for them. Like every shoe, I have a price in mind that I am willing to pay for them. Like I said, I've wanted these shoes I think at the end of last year when I started seeing them a lot. I think I was seeing them before, but I never really paid attention to them. But for some reason, I think end of September last year, I started seeing them a lot, and somebody got a color that I really like. I was like, OMG, these are the shoes that I want to be my next shoes. And then I had them saved on my luxe wish list. I don't know if it's private or public on my Pinterest, but you can access it to see all the luxury items that I have on my wish list. So I did that on my wish list, and honestly I had no intention on buying them. Again, late night browsing, I was looking for them in the pink color. The pink, I was set on getting the Manolos in the pink color. Because I was looking at my wardrobe, I was like, I have a lot of white dresses, it's gonna be so easy. Plus I had this pink bag, and blush pink or pink in general is a color that I'm trying to get into, so I think the pink will easily, I'm looking at my dresses right now, I could see so many things that I could wear with the pink. But the other day I just happened to be shooting a look outside my apartment in the park. It was all white outfit, and I was like, oh my god, it would be so nice to have a nice white pair of mules to wear with this outfit. And I was like, oh, this is what I should do. I should get the Manolos in the white. And mind you, 3 months ago, I think back in January or February, I found them at TJ Maxx, I believe for like $3.99. The TJ Maxx that has a runway collection, the one on by the Flatiron on 23rd. Is it 23rd? 20th, I think, or 21st in 6th Avenue. So they had them there for $3.99, and I was like, oof, I don't think I would ever buy these shoes in the white color. It was a canvas color, I mean white in the canvas. I was like, I don't think I would ever buy these shoes because they'll get dirty so fast. I was like, no. And then that one day I was wearing that outfit, I was like, oh my god, it would be so nice to have these shoes to wear with this outfit. Then I'm like, okay, since I can't really find the pinks in my size when they have the price, and when they have my size, it's full price. I was like, I am just going to, the next color that I would get is all the white ones. So I said to myself, I'll go with the white ones because I know I will wear the white ones to death. So I happened to search for them. Guess what? I found white one for like 500 bucks. I was like, OMG, that is a sign. And they had my size, 36.5. Usually I wear 36, but you know, for mules you have to go half a size bigger. So I ordered these shoes from Forward. It's not my first time using that website. I think I've seen it around before, but I never really ordered anything from them. It comes in a box like this. It says Forward by Elise Walk Receipts. And these shoes came like 2 days later. That's what I love. You guys already seen the deal before. White Manolo box with the gray writing, and then here you have 36.5 shoe description and all that stuff. Maysale, this is the jeans Bianco fabric. They call it Maysale 50 white jeans. And the heel height, you know, Manolo dust bag, the gray dust bag. And when you open it, these are the babies. They're like the most beautiful white mules that I've ever seen. They're like a sight. How stunning are these? Again, this is the 50mm heel height, just under 2 inches, I believe. They are my, I mean, that's kind of like my favorite heel height for, it's either 70, 2.7 inches, or 50, just like that, 1.7 or 1.8 inches. Perfect, because the Chanel ones that I wear all the time are the same height and I love them. So I thought, originally I wanted them in the 70mm heel height, but I was like, no, this is the kind of shoes that I can see me wear on the house, you know, and stuff. Not really around the house, but you know, just like to walk around Soho and all that good stuff. So again, the fabric is the jean denim fabric, and it's absolutely stunning. It has the buckle here, which is the same fabric as well. The leather sole, 36.5, Manolo Blahnik, handmade in Italy. And it's absolutely gorgeous, and when I put them on my feet I feel like Cinderella. So beautiful. Oh my god, all the beautiful outfits that I'll be wearing with these shoes. Look at these babies, they are just so stunning. Oh, I love them so much. Absolutely love these shoes. I cannot wait to wear them. I am a little bit scared. That just reminded me, I do have a spray. I do have something I can spray to protect it, so I am going to try spraying just like a small little spot. I'm going to try spraying the heel. I've done it for my 9 West boots, where you can spray your suede boots to prevent water damage and all that stuff. So I am going to try to do that with those, but these are white, so I'm a little, I don't know, I'm concerned a little bit. But I guess I'm gonna try a small little spot and see how it goes, then go from there. But I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these babies, so very excited to wear them. Let's read you the description. So they still have a few sizes available on the website. I will link them below if you ladies want to check them out. So cotton upper leather sole, made in Italy, 50mm heel, approximately 2 inch heel. Yeah, it's about a 1.8 or 1.9. Buckle accent, square spool heel. That's it for the detail. I absolutely love them. They are just so gorgeous. I'm putting them on again. Yeah, I'm definitely getting another color. I'm definitely getting the pink once I find it at the price that I want to pay for them in my size. But until then, I will be wearing these a lot. Again, I have so many white dresses in my closet, and what I love about a white shoe, I can wear it with a lot of colored dresses too. Usually the bags that I reach for the most in the summertime, it's my stud white bag. So I'm gonna have a field day with these shoes. I honestly think that I have more things to pair with the white one than the pink one, although I love the pink. It's just like so cute, so feminine, so beautiful. I love that pink, so I am going to find the pink. So that's it for these shoes. Like I said, I know a lot of you will probably be thinking, aren't you worried they're gonna get dirty? I don't know, maybe, but I live on the edge, or we have to take risk. So I guess that's the risk I am willing to take by getting white shoes. We'll see how it goes. But my second pair, it's not a pair that people do unboxing for or as exciting as the Hangy C or the Maysale Mules or the Hangy Slee and all that good stuff. So these I actually got from the intermix sale. They were having that extra 50% sale on sale items, and I saw these, and like I said in my haul video, I don't really have any pair of sexy high heel shoes to wear on those nights when I go to those, you know, high class events, to the cabaret and all that good stuff. And also just for fun, just wear some really high heels and just feel a little sexy. I think I can count on, I think I only have 1 or 2 pair, and then one of them is black. And you guys know I don't wear a lot of black shoes, so I always find it difficult for me to get dressed sometimes because I don't really have like dressy shoes. And I saw these. They are the Manolo Paloma heels. These I got my regular size, obviously 36. Like I said, I don't really have a pair of sexy high heels except for one pair that Deb gave me. Makes sense because Deb is like the dressy girl, so it's something that she would give me. For the price that I saw these for, it was like 130 bucks. I just could not pass them up, and you could see very high. I think this is about, I think this is the 105 millimeter heel height, which is for 4 inches or 4 point something inches, and they were in rose gold, which is my favorite, you know, kind of like color. I'm obsessed with gold and rose gold everything. And as you can see, Manolos, so they are like leather and the rose gold detail. And I just love that they don't have the thing that goes around it, because that thing can be so annoying when the thing is movable. So I'm happy that it's in the shoe like so. So these are super high. They like very sexy, very nice. I love them. This is what the heel looks like, Manolo Blahnik. And yeah, like I said, for the price I couldn't pass them up, and I needed some pair of really high beautiful heels in a light color or like a shimmering color that I could wear to those events, or just to dress up on the days where I need to dress up really. So I absolutely love them. So I'm not even going to ask you what pair do you really like, because there's no comparison. They're both very different shoe. That's it for my unboxing. I'm gonna go now and try on the shoes for you. Plus I'm going to try the other ones that I failed to try in my last unboxing. I really hope you enjoy this unboxing video. Give it a like if you liked it. Comment, let me know if you plan on getting yourself a pair of Manolos. If so, which shoe are you thinking about? Is it the Hangy C's, which is the most famous one? I love the Hangy C's, but to be quite honest, I know I'm not gonna wear them as often as I would wear these, which is why I really wanted to get a pair of these shoes. So I think very soon I could probably do Manolo shoe collection. I think by the end of this year I will have had about 10 pair of shoes. I mean, I'm already on my 5th pair, so, and I'm probably gonna have my 6th pair next week. I don't know, I'm still looking. So I am between getting the Hangy C in a blush pink or like a hot pink. I'm thinking, I'm like, hot pink is not, the hot pink is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I think I will get more wear out of the blush pink. I found the blush pink, but it's too low. It's like 75 millimeter heel height for the Hangy C's. For the pumps, I want the heel to be higher, so that's the only thing. They're like the perfect color and they're like the perfect price also. So I'm just like, I'm like torn, and I'm like, should I, you know, wait? And I'm like, do I really want to pass these up? And I don't know, I'm just like, there are internal conflicts going on right now if I should get if I should get the blush pink in the 75mm heel high. For some reason I think in the pumps it just looks so nice when it's the 105 or 90. So that's what I am looking for next, or the pink version of these. So yeah, let me stop talking now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know which pair of Manolos are you planning on getting yourself. If you own a pair of the Maysale yourself, let me know how you like them. People say they're like uncomfortable to work in. I think they're just not used to working in heels, to be quite honest, because I find these to be super comfortable to oops, sorry, I kicked you guys, to walk in. Look at these. I cannot stop admiring these. Oh, look guys, oh my god, look at these beauties. I have already been talking for 20 minutes. It's time to go now. Bye bye.